Now, after seeing the how the lamina square plate of 30 mm side is such that if one of the diagonals is inclined to HP at 30 degrees and the same diagonal is inclined at VP to 45 degrees and draw its projections, we are going to solve manually how to write it in a sketchbook. So first I have to draw a line. I will consider any point, and first we will draw a 45-degree line by using the protractor. Measure 45 degree and draw one line, and similarly from this side I will draw one more line 45 degrees on the left side, and take the radius of 30 from this point, radius of 30, and cut an arc on this. So we'll go to get this on this side and similarly on this side. Then similarly draw a circle, draw an arc from this point of a radius of 30, and similarly draw an arc from this point also for a radius of 30 to cut the previously drawn arc. So this is how we will be able to construct the square. So this is also a square of 30 mm side. So first we are going to mark them. So this is going to be dark and having line made thickness. So we are going to dark them and name them. This is A and this is B. So this is C and this is D. So this is 30 degrees. And the angle of this line with respect to the horizontal will be at 45 degrees. And write the front view for this, and the front view is this. So this length is the one which will be front view, and this should be dark, and mark them. So this is A dash, and this is B dash, and this is C dash, and this is D dash. Now I will consider any point at a distance of some distance from the first position and draw a 30-degree line, and by using the compass measure the length between A dash to C dash, and this is 42.4264. So you measure the distance from A dash to C dash by using compass. You mark that as A dash and transfer that same distance onto this 30-degree line. And similarly measure the distance from A dash to B dash by using compass, and from the A dash point cut an arc on the 30-degree line. So got this line and arc this, and transfer these points here and name them. This is B dash, and this is C dash, and this is D dash, and this is the direction of projection for the first one. Means I am projecting like this. Okay. Now, and write the top view now. With A dash as center, draw a vertical projector, and similarly from A you draw a horizontal projector. Look at this point. Similarly, you draw a vertical projector from B dash and D dash, and draw a horizontal projector from D, and similarly draw a horizontal projector from B, and then draw a line, draw a horizontal projection from C, and draw a vertical projector from C dash to get this one. Now complete the so dark them, and then name them. Now this is the angle of inclination, and then this is the directions of projections. So this is the directions of projections. Now the same diagonal is inclined to VP at 45 degrees. So here consider any point at any distance on XY line and draw a 45 degree line. By using the protractor, you measure the angle of 45 and draw an inclined line. Then take that, since it is the true inclination, take the true length of that line. .4264. So here I will consider any point on this inclined line and draw a radius of 4264 cut it here. So now I need to find out the apparent length or apparent inclination, which is this line. So from the same point, so I will mark from the same point I will draw an arc. I'll get this point here, which is A. So I'll mark that point, and from this point you measure the radius of A to C and cut an arc on this locus, which is 36.7423, and then draw a line between these two. So this point will going to become C. And now measure the length from this point to this point using the compass with the same point. So we get the center point, and through this point on this line, by using the protractor, draw a 90-degree line. So I will draw a 90-degree line to this on this side and also on this side. Or this. Then measure the length from this point to this point by using the compass. So from this so we get the arc on both the sides. Since it is at the midpoint, so both will going to have the same length on either side, or will be having equal lengths on either side. So I'll get the point B, and to get the point D on this side, and complete the rectangle, the sketch of the second position top view, and dark them. So this is C1. And to this, so now we have angle of this, which is 45 degree. So this is the true inclination line, and this will going to be the apparent inclination, which will going to be theta. So now to this I need to write the front view. The front view is draw a, so here from A you draw a vertical projector to XY line because A dash is on XY line, and similarly from B dash you draw a horizontal projector, and also from D, and here from B you draw a vertical projector to this line. Similarly from D you draw a vertical projector to this line. Then from C dash you draw a horizontal projector, from C you draw a vertical projector. So mark them, so this point, so then join them. So this is the final sketch. So dark them, and mark them. So this is the direction of projections. I have to write the symbol beta. So here I'll mark them the beta inclination. Don't give the inclination, just you have to mark the point B. So this is how we need to write the sketch in the sketchbook. So this completes the prompt.